I would like to start my channel by thanking those brave souls who are working day and night for the well-being of common man like you and me during these difficult times. I would request you all to please stay at your home and stop the chain of coronavirus from growing further. But then a question comes as to what to do the whole day staying at home. Well, for me, the best way to time pass is to watch YouTube. Netflix and Amazon Prime is also there, but the internet speed right now sucks and I can't wait forever for a movie to buffer. Well, I have learned a way in which you can supercharge your YouTube app and make it even more better. Don't believe me? Let's see. And this video is about that only thing you need to do it. This is CA Bhushan and welcome to the Smart Tech Hub. Well, let's face it, the YouTube app is great, but not flawless. There are still a lot of features which are either premium or not supported by the app. Let's take a simple example. The official YouTube app doesn't support background play. You need to buy the premium version for it. Background play means if you play a video song on YouTube and switch over to the WhatsApp, well, the video stops there. Also, YouTube has a lot and lots of ads. This is what helps to monetize the platform, but it is super frustrating at times. Here is where YouTube Vanced comes into picture. YouTube Vanced is a modded version of YouTube which is absolutely free to use and has a lot of features too. Let me begin by showing you how to get it first.
Okay, the first thing that you need is to install the app, and for that you need to go to your Chrome app and go to this website vanced.apk. Once when you open the website, then there are a few options down here which you need to select. The first is variant. If you have got a rooted phone, then you can select the root option, otherwise keep it at non-root. The architecture is something, if you have got a phone which is before 2016, then you need to select legacy, otherwise keep it at default. And there are two themes available, one is dark theme and one is black theme. Dark theme can be used on those phones which have got AMOLED display. After selecting these options, you need to download two things, download Vanced and Micro G. I will not download it again because I already have it downloaded in my phone. Once you have downloaded it, first you need to install Micro G. I will not install it again as I have already installed it. Apart from this, you also need a different app named as SAI from the Play Store. For that you need to go to the Play Store and search for SAI, SAI, and install the first app that comes up. Well, after installing SAI, open it. If you are using MIUI, then you will get this problem. To solve this, you need to go to developer settings and scroll to the bottom of the page where you will have an option to turn on the MIUI optimization. I have turned it off already. Now let's wait for this timer to get over. If you have got any other phone, then you don't need to worry. This problem is only on Xiaomi phones. Let's click on continue. Now we need to install the APKs. For this, tap on install APKs and give it the required permission. Scroll down to download option where you will find that APK YouTube Vanced.apks. Select it and click on install. Now SAI will install the app. If you get this, tap on settings and check allow from this source. Now press install. That's it. YouTube Vanced has been successfully installed in your phone. Tap OK. So once you open the app, you need to tap on this icon here and tap sign in and tap this plus button. You need to sign in with your Google account for this to work. Let me just do it. Tap I agree and wait it to load. That's it. We're good to go now. Let's play some video. You can see there are no ads running on the phone. So if I go to Play Store again, you can see the app is running in picture mode and it is running in the background, and there are also controls here. If you need to go back to YouTube, tap here, you're back. If I go to landscape, you can do that too. There is one more feature that I like about this app. For this you need to go to the settings, and in the WAN setting there is a swipe control option for brightness and for volume. Let me show you what it does. If I open this video again and go to the landscape mode, I can just swipe up down on the right side of the video to increase or decrease the volume, and I can swipe on the left side of the video, swipe up and down to increase or decrease the brightness. Pretty handy, isn't it? There are also a lot of settings which you can play with under Vanced settings. The app is exactly like your old YouTube app with just added functionalities, and it's simply free to use.
Well, that's it. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section below and how was the switch from the old and boring YouTube app to YouTube Vanced. Please don't forget to like and share this video and stay tuned for more such content. Also, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification as soon as I post on YouTube. See you again, bye and take care.